What's up, neighbors? Welcome back to the Gent Next Door. And as you can see, I have a new package that's been delivered to me this morning. The good people at Wehilion sent me an email and said, we love your channel, we love what you're doing with your community on the Gent Next Door. Here's a link to our website. Pick what you want and we'll send it to you for a review. Hey, it's Christmas. A few weeks later, here it is. It's arrived and I'm going to unbox it and tell you all about it and let you know what I think. So let's go. The packaging is pretty standard. I did pre-open the packaging. I did, like, just to make it easier for you guys watching. I pre-opened it, but I haven't obviously taken the suit out. So I went for a three-piece suit and I went for green. It's a color that I like and it's something different. I could have done a normal black suit or a white suit, but I wanted something different and something challenging to style. So here it is, guys. So this is the jacket. The green looks more forest green, very, almost like an evergreen tree, like a Christmas tree green. It looked a little lighter on the website, but it's still pretty good. It's got this sort of velvety fabric, which is nice. I went for a double-breasted jacket and it's got these turtle shell buttons here, the turtle shell pattern in it, which is nice as well. So that is the jacket. I'll talk more about that in a second. And then we've got the trousers or pant. They're more sort of straight leg in terms of the cut of this suit, regular fit. So I'm a 32 waist, so these are size 32, pretty nice. And then obviously I did say I went for a three-piece suit. So this is the waistcoat that goes inside the suit. So this is a waistcoat, it's single breast. Straight away I noticed that the buttons don't match the actual suit button. These are not the turtle shell buttons, these are just standard black plastic buttons, which is a markdown really, because if you wear this with the suit and the buttons are not matching, it almost looks like the waistcoat doesn't belong to the suit. So that's not great, that's a little disappointing. Let's check we've got the right size, first of all. So it looks like the jacket is a small, so this is a size too small for me. I used to wear a size small, which is a 36 regular chest, 36-inch chest. But I've been going to the gym the last few years and I've really outgrown that. Now I wear like a 38. And even a 38 is getting a little tight around the shoulders for me right now, which is a good thing, which means that because my gym gains are working. But from a styling point of view, anything bigger than a 38 will begin to overwhelm me and I will have to go get jackets tailored. So this jacket is not going to fit. So styling the suit is going to be quite challenging. I'll get back to them and hopefully they can send me the correct size. But for now, I'll just talk about the suit and break down some of the features for you. So guys, with the suit jacket, as you can see, it is double-breasted. Now it's a 6-button double-breasted jacket. So the good thing about 6-button double-breasted jacket is that if you want to add heft to your silhouette, if you're not familiar with my channel, I talk a lot about how suits can affect your body shape and how to maximize the physical features that you have. So if you want to add heft and size to your chest and you want to emphasize a bit more physical, you want to be a bit more physically imposing in your suit, then the double-breasted jacket with 6 buttons is quite good because it moves the eye across the torso. So that's a good thing about a 6-button double-breasted jackets. Some other double-breasted jackets only come with 4 buttons and they make the torso look longer, so that's good for adding height. This one comes with peak lapels, which again point towards the shoulders. So again, this helps with looking a little bit more physically imposing, a little bit like the jacket that I have. This biker jacket, it has lapels that are pointing outward, giving my shoulders more presence, which is something that I like because I have quite slopey shoulders. I like a jacket with structure. So this does come with padding, not a lot of padding, but there is structure to the shoulders, which I like. There is no structure to the lapels though. They're very loose and lightly fused, which means this is an evening jacket because of the fabric. It's got this velvety fabric, but the fact that it's quite destructured tells me that it's more for casual evening occasions. This is something that you wear to not a black tie, but maybe something just slightly less formal than a black tie. If you're going for dinner, a nice dinner with your missus, or to a nice ball or a nice party or an award show or something like that, this suit would be perfect for something like that. As I said, I really like the turtle shell buttons. I wish the waistcoat had the same buttons, but it gives a nice contrast. Contrasting buttons, again, are more informal than formal. If you look for formal suits like business suits and dinner suits, the buttons always match the color of the suit. And anything that gives a contrast in the buttons makes it a little bit less formal, which is why I think this suit is good for occasions like parties. It also got the matching buttons on the cuffs, which is nice. And again, another feature of the suit that indicates that this is more of a smart casual suit is it's got patch pockets. These are normally known in sports jackets or blazers. Like a school blazer, in school you would have patch pockets like this to show that it's more for leisure and functionality than it is for formality. Formal suits usually have the ticketed pockets, but the fact that it comes with patch pockets represents a more casual jacket. It's got the slit on the sides rather than in the center, which I like. It's quite lightly fused, but because of the fabric, it is quite a warm fabric, so it's definitely a suit that you'd wear in the winter months for evening occasions. It's not a day suit, and it's definitely not something you'd wear in the summer. Any other features that I can talk about? It does have an open pocket, so you can add your pocket square in there. It didn't come tied up. Overall, it's a lovely color. It will be interesting trying to style this, so when they send me a jacket that's my size, because it's slightly too small, I'll do in part 2 of this video where I'll actually style it. For the pants of the suit, as I said, they're pretty standard straight leg in terms of the cut and the shape of the pants. Same fabric and same buttons. It's still got the turtle shell buttons, which is nicely matching. The pants have belt loops. I prefer side adjusters, but belt loops I think fit the casual nature of the suit, because it's the kind of suit you're probably going to wear to a party or anything like that, and you could style them with dark brown shoes. I would always wear dark brown shoes or black or something like this. I think a good rule of thumb is to always make sure that your shoes are a darker shade than your suit rather than a lighter shade. So belt loops are a good option because it's a more casual suit. So what I'll do, guys, I'll do a part 2 to this video where I'll actually style the suit so that you can see how you may style this. As a part of this collaboration, I'm working with Wehilion. You do get a discount of 10% on anything you order off their website using my unique link down in the comments below and also in the description. So do get involved with that. If you're looking for affordable tailoring, I talk a lot about suiting and tailoring on my channel. And I know not everybody has got access to expensive tailor-made suits, but if you're looking for affordable, stylish, tailored clothing, this is a great option for that. The pricing is really great, and they've got a wide range of styles that you can pick from, a wide range of colors, including this lovely dark green. If you want more information about this particular suit, I'll leave a link to this particular suit in the comments and you can have a look. But thanks so much for watching this unboxing video. Look out for part 2 where I'll talk a little bit more about styling and give you my marks out of 10 for each feature of this suit. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.